Any questions about the mantra recitation and the visualization? Yes?
Rinpoche, it's still about the visualization. I just noticed that our mind likes to have its own agenda. They just like to do their things.
But you see, you talk very funny. You talk as if the mind and you are separate. That's you.
Yeah.
So if you can't control it, that's exactly why you need to meditate. And this problem you're having with your mind going on its own will become bigger and bigger and increase. And then that's what you take with you in your next life, and the next life, and the next life. So when you complain, which everybody does, how difficult it's to control the mind, that's why I'm teaching this. So in short, there is no way to get away from this. There's no way, there's a shortcut. There's no way to complain our way to avoid this. If you want to have concentration and you want to control your own mind, you must do this. There are many types of meditation to control our mind, but I'm giving you the easiest one without initiation. A one that you won't go crazy if you do it wrong. So if you need to stay awake, how do you make yourself stay awake? You control your mind. If you need to focus on something, how do you focus? You have to train your mind. The very fact that our mind is so wild and we can't control, that is why I'm teaching this. So you ask, will it affect my prayer? What does prayer mean? Prayer is from your heart. If you're not visualizing or thinking, just reciting, that's not prayer. There's not much effect. How can it be effect just to recite? If it's got effect just to recite and you don't have to think or meditate, then play the tape recorder all day. Just record it and play tape recorder. And you go to sleep. And let's see who gets enlightened, you or the tape recorder. You think, use your logic. This one is a simple question. People ask me for 20 years already. If I cannot visualize, does it affect? Yeah, of course it does. Of course it affects. Definitely affects. Why does it affect? Because you still cannot control your mind. So what's the solution? Do this. Do this.
So in this case, would it be better that we just let go of the ideas of what we want to visualize or fixated with the pictures that we want to see, or rather just let the mind, okay, now you can go to the bath and then later you come back.
Of course. But it has to decrease in time, not increase or remain the same. Because if over time you're still at the bath, then what you're doing is you're using that as an excuse to say, let my mind rest and I come back to it. I rest and come back. We actually, in the beginning, we have to do the visualization, rest a little, goes, and then we wanders and bring it back and wanders and bring it. Actually, doing this meditation, you can wander a couple of 100 times and you have to bring it back. But that's just like exercise at the gym. You refine your brain muscles. Definitely you can rest. But after 10 years and you're still resting your mind, you're still taking a bath, stay there at the bath. You understand? That's very important.
So is the durations of it
must lessen.
We allows the minds to go.
You allow it to go because you can't control it fully in the beginning. Over time you can control it. In the beginning you let it rest, of course. Otherwise you go crazy. Not crazy, you become like, what's that called?
Tense.
Yes, tense and tired. But it's a good tense and tired because it's something you've never done. It's a good tense. When we go to gym next day, got sore muscle. Is that good sore or bad sore? Same thing. Okay, Mr. Liu? Good. Do the mantra.